missed that one. Oh, now she's going pee. Look at the truck again. Special edition of my vlog. I'm outside right now, and it's snowing for snow of the year. It's pretty epic. It's already getting pretty heavy. Like, it's been cold the past couple days, and now it's snowing. Yes! But it's getting pretty heavy. Check this out. Like, this is like the last 15 minutes, 10 minutes. That's my dog Desi. But it's sticking pretty well, seems like. Here's the Mustang. Got a cover the camera here.
Desi, what are you doing?
It's not really mixed, it's just
Mainly snow, little rain.
Desi. No, it's actually no rain. It's just wet.
Oh, sorry. Those are some pretty big flakes, too.
Desi. Desi,
We always get these big flakes.
Desi. Whoa.
She's covered. Look, okay, here's the section I just wiped off. It's already. Oh, I can't get.
Desi.
I can't get
sit
wet.
down.
Cheeseburger's wet.
Desi, sit. Desi, sit. Desi, if you.
Yeah. 2 minutes of staring at snow. I bet you think this is wonderful. I don't know, some of you might think this is a small thing, like, ooh, snow, woohoo. But for me, let's hear, when we get less than 2 inches a year of snow, it's pretty big. So, snow. Desi, snow.
Desi.
Desi, put the chain back on, Des. Just put it over. There you go. It's gonna fall off again. It's around her ear.
Max, shut up.
There, it's good. It's good now. Max! Shush! Poor pup.
Are you gonna come out here?
No, because I'll get cheeseburger wet.
That's where you go like this.
That's why I was earlier and it still got wet. No snow. Snow. No snow. Snow. Kiss. But you didn't see that. It's cold. Okay,
She
people.
likes to grab the snow. It's kind of
There, short little vlog for you. That's about it. Yeah.
Nobody likes you. You should die. I'm kidding. Ah!
There we go. Wipe off the lens there. It's
Desi.
getting heavier too. There's the dog there. You I ran to get the camera because she was jumping up, grabbing it. There she goes. Here she goes. She's nipping at the snow. Shut it. No. No, Max. Sorry. She got a stick. Yeah. Wow. That's the Mustang. It used to be red. Now it's white. Yeah. It's not. Yeah, just in the time that we've been watching this, it's gone from green, almost all green, like that, to that. That's pretty crazy. There's a white car. Is the car really white, or is it just snowed on? That's the question. Okay.
I can't even see the snow on my camera.
Can you see your mom naked?
You can see.
No, Max,
Okay.
Max!
Max! Just check out.
Just let him out. There's Max.
Max!
New pups. Okay, people. I guess I'm done now. We're officially done. Alright, try as I get done, something fun is gonna happen. So, Okay, so I'm gonna say peace out, peoples. Whoop whoop.